Magta-try tayo magkaskas nito. Kung anong makita natin ng mga numbers dyan, equivalent dito sa mga slots. Tapos pag mabuo mo yung quadrant, kung ano yung pictures na nandito, equivalent naman sa mga price na nandito sa taas. So, simulan natin dito sa right. Pag dito kasi sa left nagsisimula, medyo hindi kagandahan yung outcome eh. Mas maganda dito sa right eh. Maraming business na ako nanalo dito sa right. So, dito ako sa practice ko kung saan ako nananalo. So, try natin to. So, that was number 9. So, number 9 slot. And then, 30. Where's 30? 36. Alright, 36 na. Hirap nang walang naghahawak ng ano, ng camera. 11. Oh. Ano tayo? Leading. 50. Where are you? 32. This one also 32. Leading. 20. 34. 25. Where are you? 25. Oh. 12. Wow. Match point na tayo dito. Pagka sa volleyball, match point na tayo. Penalty na, penalty. One false move will be going to the free throw line. And here we go. Oh. 3 and 3. Where are you? 23. Layo. This one 9, 29. 29 now. Also this one is a match point. Need one more to go. I need 31 and number 10. 31 or 10. 31 or 10. Oh, 28. Come on. 21 or 10. Ay, saving. Ilan na lang? 6 na lang. Numero. Kailangan ma-reveal. 31. Oh, 26. Tatlo na yung match point natin. Tatlo na. 27, 31, and this one. Game 3. Number 10. So, supposed to be, pag nakuha ko to, ito magiging price ko. 20 pounds. And this one, French fries. No, it's 1 million. I doubt it. This one. What is this one? Rice. Maybe I got this one. 31. It's only 5 pounds. 31. So maybe this. The remaining 27, 31, or 10. Yeah, 7, 27 mo. 27 mo. Fuck, 70. 24, gonna cry now. Only one last hope. 10, 27, or 31. So no luck for me.